Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So we're now at kind of our last stop for our 2 weeks New Zealand trip. So we just took the flight from Queenstown to Auckland, and then it's about 6 p.m. and we'll be departing tomorrow at about 3 p.m. So we booked the airport hotel. So this is the Pullman at the Auckland airport. Actually, the reason why I book here as well is because they have a nice restaurant on the 9th floor, and that will be convenient for me. And it doesn't make sense for us to go to the city and then everything closed and then tomorrow have to rush back. So we booked this airport hotel so we can enjoy our dinner and then more convenient, etc. Okay, so I'll give you a full review of the Pullman Auckland Hotel, Auckland Airport Hotel. You know, first of all, if you come via the domestic airport, it's quite a walk because the hotel is quite close to the international airport, not the domestic side. So we were walking about 8 to 10 minutes before we get here. Okay, so it's a spacious room, very comfortable for one night stay. So when I walk in, on my right, okay, is the toilet. On my left, okay, actually they do have the bathrobes and then good space for the luggage. And then I open it, okay, is the iron board. As I say, mine is the first take. What you see is what I see. So just check in, and this is the hotel room. And they do not have like really a closet, but the hangers here, so you can put your clothes here. It's good enough. Okay, the mirror over here, and then quite nice the shower room with the rain shower, and then single sink. Let's take a look at the amenity. Okay, so they have the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, as well as the hair dryer and the towels. Okay, so I guess the only thing that is not available are slippers, or else everything else is pretty good. Okay, and then this is the mini bar. You know, of course you have to pay, but at least it's nicely stocked up. Nespresso coffee machine, the kettle. Okay. And this is the mini bar that you need to pay for. Okay, so it's the king size room, king size bed, still good mattress, the linen is good, the light and complimentary water, and the television is here. And then with this one as kind of a table for some work to be done, you know, the power plugs and everything. And this is a small lazy bed, lazy chair and area that you can lie down and watch TV. It's cool and dandy. The size is decent. And then this is our view. So you can see actually that one is Novotel. It's also part of Accor. And that one is actually a little closer to the airport. We have to walk from here to over the airport entrance, but they are from there to there, okay? But it really doesn't pose a major big difference because it's, you know, airport hotel, and Pullman should be a higher star rating than the Novotel. And that exactly, I zoom in for you, is the Auckland airport, and that is the international departure. So we'll be very close by for tomorrow's flight. Okay, so we'll have dinner tonight at the 9th floor restaurant, as I mentioned. So I will show you more of the dining experience. It's a New Zealand cuisine. You know, that will be the best part, to have a nice dinner on kind of the last evening of our New Zealand trip. So stay on, continue to watch, and we'll show you our dining experience as well.